What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Patreon request today from Ken. This is a phoenix. So, yeah, bird on fire. So, try and attempt to add some fire effects to the wings and the tail mostly. Feathers are cool though. Anyway, sorry, talking to myself. Right, so wings are like high up, right? Bird facing this way. So to get like all the wing in, we're gonna have to just like put the body of the bird like down here a bit. It's kind of small. So let's try. So let's start with, there's like a dark section at the eye, right? So we'll curve a line like that. Yeah, there's like a black section in here. We'll do that first. Okay. And then the bird's sort of golden eye is kind of like here. Right, with a pupil there. And then I'll color black around this. So then there's like some textures and some frowns and stuff here at the front. Right, and the beak will come out from here. So we'll go spiky. And then it comes back. Kind of blends in with the face a bit. But say if I wanted to go back a bit further. Like so, and then the neck sort of starts to come out from the beak then. And this can get sort of textured, right, because it's feathery and stuff. We have like a cheekbone or something there. And then the top, the other side of the head comes back this way, and then we start getting into big sort of fiery, feathery sections, right? So it's all sort of coming back from, you know, the head section. You can build this up as much as you want, you know, adding sort of fire from the top of the head and everything. And depending on like how fiery you like your phoenixes, you could do more than me, of course, if you wanted. We just keep going. Right, and so like the chest will go sort of out this way, right? And you'll have feathers sort of sticking off. And the wing, so that's like the shoulder area. So you'll have like a wing going off that way, and the other wing kind of turns a different direction, but it generally comes out here. So we'll get like the shape for his body, and you have like talons coming out sort of here, And this is like the back body, which kind of joins fiery sort of feathers then. And so the tail feathers start to get kind of like, you know, a bit fiery then. I might do this first because there's nice sort of continuity with the shape for the body. So if there's a leg, like a drumstick sort of leg coming out here, but then we get like all sort of fire stuff then. Starting to come out here, right? Do you know when you want to like kind of make it look like feathers, but also a bit like fire and sort of swirling sort of energy and heat, you know? And like the wing is quite big there, but I think it's good to get this first. And you can go as crazy with the tail as you'd like. So you can, I'll just go straight off my page, right? You could finish it here, maybe. Maybe I'll bring it like down, like it's going off the page. Like these little spirals and stuff might be cool. A few more room, of course. Feel free to fit more of that in, or bring it around even or something. But the tail is the sort of biggest part now. Well, apart from one of the wings, but this will be all yellow and red and okay, I'll just maybe get the structure of this wing in. So we'll go then like the inside of it is like here. So it's like the bone that connects everything, and then the wing starts to go this way. Like spirals around here. So we start getting sort of feathers, the big flight feathers here. And we'll do like another section of feathers here actually. So these are like the smaller ones that kind of connect the big ones. So just like another section, feathers all in there. And it's all kind of textured in there as well. So we got to do like the layer of big flight feathers then. So say like start here. Okay. And again, these would be all sort of on fire and all that kind of thing. Well, red and color red and orange and everything like that. You could add like little bits of fire coming off here. And then maybe like some feathers on the chest, just these little sort of overlapping V sort of things. And the other wing, so just comes out this way. It's going a different direction. We still have like a little sort of section of feathers sort of coming out on top of another section of feathers. So it's like the shoulder bone area kind of a thing. And then there's some feathers sticking out here. So it's like this part just turned. And then some of these wings, let me see, so a little feather there. So they're turning that way. So then these ones will kind of flip back. Yeah, I think so. Like sometimes feathers have little like bits taken out of them like that. I'm gonna put some fire and stuff all coming out here as well. Do. Okay. How does that look from up there? Okay, legs. So they're quite small. I'll zoom in down here. So we do like the front leg first, kind of like a little sort of chicken drumstick sort of a thing. Right, and then like there's talons, obviously, like claws. It's like a thumb one. And then the front one, well, on the other side. And then more fire. As much as you'd like to do. Alrighty. Alrighty then. Phoenix. Oh, we're going to draw a phoenix. Not bad. Not a bad first attempt. I've never drawn a phoenix before. Hope it's helpful. Ken, thanks for the support on Patreon. See you in the next one. Bye.